How to delete comment in Bereal app. If you have been using the Bereal application and wondering on how to delete the comment that you have added on someone's post, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application. Just like this. After opening it, simply you will find something like this on your home page. Now to delete your comment, first locate the comment that you have posted. So I have posted a comment on this post right here. Now tap on to comments right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find your comment right here on the comment section. Now to delete it, simply keep on tapping on it. Just like this, then you will simply find the delete button. Now tap on it. And now you can see your comment has been deleted. Now do the same process to delete your comment on the other posts as well. And that's it. This is how you can delete comment in Bereal app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.